I'm Francesca de Valence and I'm the founder of Heart Songwriting Club. I'm here at St. Paul's School in Brisbane tonight actually, and I've gotten to witness 5 15-year-old students in Year 10 who worked with me at the beginning of the year through a series of workshops, went through our Heart Songwriting Club songwriting course for kids, and have just performed 2 songs each at the St. Paul's Showcase, and it is absolutely blown my mind.
Hi, I'm Eloise. I'm 15 years old. I wrote 10 songs in 10 weeks.
Hi, I'm Amy and I'm 15 years old. I wrote 10 songs in 10 weeks.
Hi everyone, I'm Lockie and I'm 15 and I just participated in Heart Songwriting's 10-week children's course.
I'm Josh Crawford, I'm 15 years old, and through Heart Songwriting I've actually progressed to more confidence to then take on the adult songwriting course.
Classroom music, it's not like when a student goes to a private lesson. So if a student goes to a private lesson, you have a chance to really work where that student is and spend a lot of time on the finer points of music that perhaps you don't get to do with a student in a class of 30. And so when it comes to teaching composition or songwriting, you're often up against it because there are kids who come into the class and think, oh well, I don't know how to read music, so I can't write songs. And here at St. Paul's, one of the things that I wholeheartedly believe is that every person, not just student, but every person should be able to make music in some way.
I tried to write songs, but I was never very good at it. And I started a song and then I stopped the song, and then it just never worked. And I wasn't able to put chords with it or anything. And now I am.
I feel like I've learnt some new techniques. Like each time I want to write a song thinking of something to write about, I used to just kind of start writing about anything random, and the song you can't really tell what it's about.
I think I like to have all the instruments playing the melody. Didn't really have any instruments playing the chords or backing track, and my song sounded very empty. But now with the Heart Songwriting course, I've learned to put different instruments into different parts of my songs, and it's helped me improve my songwriting a lot.
Before Heart Songwriting, I always thought that to get a good song you just had to feel inspired and you just got to jam around on the guitar for a very long time.
I'm just so impressed that, these songwriters who weren't very experienced songwriters necessarily before have spent 10 weeks really honing their craft and connecting with creative ideas and just letting them explore and letting them become uncovered and see where they lead to. And tonight they played those songs for their family and for their parents and for their peers, and I just thought that was brilliant.
Afterwards, my friends told me that how much better I'd been after this course, and how much more I'd progressed.
Much more confidence in myself and my songwriting to then keep writing songs.
Playing my songs tonight, it felt awesome. I could look out and see the people smiling in the crowd, and it just made me feel happy.
It was a great experience. I've never sung any of my songs in front of anyone before.
Just the accomplishment of 10 songs in 10 weeks, and some of those songs are the best songs that I've ever written.
Is this real? This real? Gravity.